So this is the smallest and the cheapest 4K dashcam which gets a true native 4K backed with a Starvis-2 IMX678 sensor. I'm talking about the Vantrue E1 Pro, the first Element series dashcam to be reviewed on my channel. So just to clear the price aspect, this is a single channel front only true 4K dashcam which comes in at a price of 14,999. But since you are a viewer of Gizmo Beep, you get an exclusive discount of 1,250 rupees, bringing down the price to 13,749. So basically what I feel is that you can buy two of these and get a dual 4K dual Starvis-2 setup on the front and on the back at a price of close to 26 to 27,000 rupees only if you get two of these, and I definitely consider this is totally worth that money. Starting off with the fact that the ultra compact size of this dashcam is super easy to conceal behind your rear view mirror. Basically means this will not obstruct your view of the windshield, and this will be just hiding in plain sight doing its job. Now the size of this dashcam is just 1.5 inches, or should I say 1.54 inches, and this is probably the smallest dashcam which I have seen till date. Vantrue has also included their proprietary technology called as the plate pix, which enhances number plate detail, number plate clarity in the recorded videos. But what makes this camera even more better than what it already is that this is LTE compatible. Yes, the E1 Pro can support the LTE kit which is available from Vantrue, and the good news is this will become available in India in a matter of a month or two. And once you get this LTE unit, you will be able to monitor your car in real time. Basically, you get a remote view, which means you can sit either at your home or office and just stream the dashcam video on your smartphone. You get alerts from the dashcam whenever there is a bump or any abnormal motion detected. You can even do a video call to the dashcam if anybody is sitting inside the car. You can talk to them from your home or your office. And not just that, you also get live location of the dashcam, which means in case if you have parked your car in a very large parking area, you can precisely pinpoint the location of the car and approach it with the most ease. Now all these features get bundled together in the LTE module, which is currently not available as of the time of making this video, but I have heard from Vantrue that they will be releasing it in a matter of few months. Now this dashcam gets a 15-second pre-recording motion detection mode, which means in case it detects any bump or any abnormal motion, the camera is going to record a 15-second video prior to the event when it happened and probably a minute after the event unfolds. So this applies in the parking mode, and this needs a separate hardware kit, but do note that this supports buffered motion detection as well. This dashcam also gets a 5 GHz Wi-Fi, this gets smart voice control, and this also gets a built-in GPS. Now along with the buffered motion detection, this camera also gets the most advanced parking mode features which are not seen in that price range of about 13 to 14,000 rupees. Which means you get motion detection, you get low bitrate mode, you get low frame rate mode, and 24/7 parking mode. Basically, these parking mode features are like super premium and probably only seen in VO4 dash cameras which come at a much higher price range. You can get that close to 13,000 rupees, and if you do purchase two of them, you can get them at 26,000 rupees for a dual channel setup. Another excellent thing about this camera is that this supports memory cards up to 1 TB, basically limitless storage hours. You never have to worry about loop recording. Additionally, this camera also gets a CPL filter right inside the box, which means you don't have to go out searching or trying to purchase a CPL filter. CPL filters are absolutely necessary to improve the video quality and clarity, and you get one straight in the box. Now other than the CPL filter, you also get a 5-step or a 5-level adjustable hardware kit, which is an optional purchase. You can also purchase a wireless remote control for the dashcam, and you also get Vantrue branded micro SD cards which you can straight up buy from the Vantrue website along with the dashcam. All these excellent features coming in at a price of 14,999 only, and if you do apply the coupon code, you can get them at 13,700. Make the Vantrue E1 Pro an excellent value for money choice within this price segment. Now if you already like the camera and you want to buy it, go ahead and grab it right now. The purchase link is given below in the description. You will be redirected to the Vantrue India website, which is a 100% genuine and trustworthy website. Go ahead and get it from the Vantrue website, applying the coupon code which is exclusively applicable only on the website purchases. Why waste money buying from somewhere else? So the full review of the Vantrue E1 Pro will be dropping soon on my channel, And in case if you're interested in watching this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a super cool 4K dashcam under the 14,000 segment. See you in the next one.